Okay, today we're going to learn how to show change for $1. Let's pretend that you are a clerk at a store and I am the customer. These are things that I can buy at your store. I would like to buy this. I would like to buy this pen for 90 cents. So I have $1 to spend. Do I have enough money to buy this pen? If I give you more than 90 cents, you will need to give me back my extra money. This is called my change. Everyone, what is it called when you give me back my extra money? Get ready. Yes, my change. So how much change will I get back if I gave you $1 for this pen? Yes, I would get 10 cents back. Okay, so now I want to purchase this marker for 70 cents. I will give you my $1 to pay for this, and I need you to give me back the correct change. So I'm going to see if I know how much change to give back. I'm going to select some change that I think is the right amount of money to give back for the 70-cent marker. So the way I can check this is we count up from 70 cents. So the price of the item was 70 cents. So let's count back the change to make sure we give the right amount of change for the $1. So we start at 70 cents, 80, 90, $1. So we know that this 3 dimes or 30 cents is the correct change from my $1. Remember, we count up. So if the item costs 70 cents, we're going to go 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, $1. That's how we know we have the correct change. Okay, now we're going to try it with quarters. So I think I want to buy the folder here, and this folder is 50 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and slide some coins over to see if I know how much change to give back. Okay, so remember with the marker we counted up. We've got to do the same thing. So the folder cost 50 cents. I gave you my $1. We're going to count up from 50 cents to see if I'm going to give you the correct change. So we start with 50 cents, then we count our coins. How much? 75, $1. Okay, we start at 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. So the correct amount of change is going to be 50 cents. All right, class, we're going to do a little more practice with this. If you can pause this video and get some change, or you can make some change, quarters and dimes. You will need 4 quarters and 10 dimes. That's all you need. That's what we're doing to make change. And if you can find that at home, or make your dimes and quarters and do this, find change for all these items on your own, and then play this video to check and see how you are doing, that would be great. Otherwise, you can just do it along with me. Okay, so we've got the milk carton that costs 40 cents. And again, I have $1 to pay for my milk. So in order to find out how much change, to count back the change, we start at the 40 cents number, right? So we have 40 cents, and then we're going to count up to $1. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So the change that you need to give is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents. Okay? We could have also done it this way. Again, starting at 40 cents, the amount the item is, and we could have counted to 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. So instead of giving six dimes, we can give back 1 dime and 2 quarters, counting up from 40, 50, 75, $1. All right, let's try the, actually, this is supposed to say 75 cents there. Must have gotten erased. Let's go ahead and I'm going to buy the ruler with my $1, and count up for the correct change. So we start at 75 cents. Counting up, we can just go ahead and say 75, $1. So the change is 25 cents. Okay, let's do that again with the orange juice, the little juice box here. It costs 50 cents. I'm going to again pay with my $1 bill, and I need to count back the change to the customer. So 50 cents, remember we start at the value of the item and count up. 50 cents, 75, $1. So we know the change we need to give back is 50 cents. Let's see, the notebook costs 90 cents. If I give $1, I start with the value of the notebook, 90 cents, $1. We know the change to give back is 10 cents.